Hey, how's it going? So what kind of wood is Diggler going to play with today? Well, today I have some Arbutus. Now, this wood I've had for quite a while. It's been drying out. If you look at the ends, you can see that it's kind of got some weird splits that are forming. When I did break this down, I tried to make it quarter sawn or as close to quarter sawn as I could, but it's still of course splitting while it's drying. So what I'm going to do with these two pieces is I am going to make a salad fork and spoon set. Now this project is going to be done on a CNC. It's going to be a two-sided carve, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record the CNC part for the fork only and not the spoon. The spoon is the exact same as the fork for the cut, so you're definitely not going to need to see that. The only difference is the fork has some tines cutting to it. You'll see that as it cuts. But I will show the pair when I'm sanding them and the finished product of the pair of these things. Now, I'm really not sure of these splits, so let's throw it on the CNC. Let's see what happens. If it explodes, as in chunks, then it is what it is. So let's get busy. So for this video, there's really not a lot of commentary, at least while the CNC runs, because I mean there's not much I can say about it other than I am using a 1/4 inch end mill roughing bit to rough out the material, and I'm doing that on both sides. And then for the finishing cut on both pieces, I'm using a 1/8 ball nose bit. So do me a favor, as a fairly new content creator, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed. Give it a like, and even throw me a comment on anything. So here's your chance to get a good laugh. The saw I chose was definitely not a good saw to cut through to be able to cut all the tabs off. In hindsight, I should have used the bandsaw like I normally do, or something else, but this saw definitely wasn't working for me today. But I figured I should include it in the video because honestly, the struggle is real and everybody needs a good laugh every once in a while. So I've been using Arbutus for quite a while, and I actually love how it looks. If you have used Arbutus or are planning to try and use Arbutus, let me know in the comments down below. The only thing I don't like about Arbutus is the amount of twists when it dries. It is pretty gnarly. So every woodworker is going to tell you the exact same thing. Their favorite part is the reveal of the grain when they put some sort of a finish on it. I like to use mineral oil, give it a little bit of a mineral oil dip, let it sit overnight to get the excess to drip off, and then do mineral oil beeswax combo. And then again, wipe it off after that, the excess. And here they are. Diggler out.